Hello everyone. So today we'll see how you can make a automatic door which will open based on your voice command or your secret voice passphrase like khul ja sim sim band ho ja sim sim. So khul ja sim sim is your magical charm or magical keyword to open the door, and band ho ja sim sim means to close the door. So it's like your magical charm or keyword to close the door. So we'll see how you can make it using code school. So for that, you require two extension. So the first is the sensor kit extension. We'll use it because it's the most simplest and easiest to use, and it is our latest extension, which is very powerful. It can support all kinds of sensors. So this is a premium sensor, like you require code school membership for the same, but you can make it using other extension also, simple Arduino extension also you can make it. But in this video we'll use this because, as I said, it is the most easiest one. So I'll add that, and then I have to add another one. So for speech to text I have to add. So this two extension I have to add. Now I'll add that standard things. So I will need two if conditions, and for that I would require two operators. And in the operator, I'll check for speech, and before that I have to actually listen and wait for that whatever you speak, it will convert it to text, and that would store in this variable. So these two. Now I have to use the servo, so I'll just search for that servo thing. So this I have to use. I'll close this, and I'll use that clear speech also. So my servo is connected on pin 23. So on which pin of ESP32 your servo is connected, you have to give this pin. You have to give this angle. So I am using 90° and 10°. So this is my code. Now I'll go into the sensor kit extension and just click this connection button. So it will show me sensor kit. So I have to select that, wait for few seconds, pair, wait for few seconds, and it will automatically get connected. So I'll just say go to editor, and this is now connected. Now I can simply run my program and we'll just see the demo. So this is our new sensor kit board, and I have connected the servo to pin 23. So it's very easy to connect servos. You can connect multiple servos. So this is our board. This is the on off switch also, and I have connected 12-volt power supply here. And instead of gluing the servo, because I don't want my servo to be damaged, I would be reusing it in other project also. So I had just cut cardboards and made a kind of a slot. In that slot I had inserted it, and I had extended the servo arm by connecting two different servo arm using this tape and some wire, and I had connected another wire to this gate. And this is just a simple cardboard e-commerce delivery boxes carton that I had reused, and this gate I purchased online. So like nothing special, like you can make it from cardboard also, but this is like a ready-made MDF base door to give it a more professional look. So like because like a shop near my house has this readily available, so I just like bought it from there and using it. But you don't require it to be for this project. Like you can simply make it from cardboard and like put some tape, and like you can print the door and like paste it on top of it. So like uh, instead of gluing, I am using that carpenter tape, which the carpenter normally uses to mask the MDF. So I'm just using that tape to stick this wire. You can like use some instant glue or something to like fix this wire to that door or something. But because I want everything to be reusable, so I can simply remove this tape and can reuse. So for that reason only, like this slot I had made and all those things. Otherwise like uh, it's not a project requirement, it's just like my personal requirement to be reusable. So for that reason only, like I have done this. So let's just see the demo. खुल जा सिम सिम, बंद हो जा सिम सिम, खुल जा सिम सिम, बंद हो जा सिम सिम. खुल जा सिम सिम, बंद हो जा सिम सिम, खुल जा सिम सिम, बंद हो जा सिम सिम. So I will be extending this project using various ways, like numeric keypad or like camera based facial recognition, automatic opening of the door and all those things. You can like create your own variation, like so in future we'll see more examples using our sensor kit extension and new development board that we have released especially. So just like to give you a brief idea about this development board, so these are the servo pins. Like so because it has internal power supply which can like handle up to 2 amps easily, so like you can connect different servos. And this is like for 2 motors you can connect, and this is the DC screw terminal. So like this is the positive red and this black is the negative. So you can connect any battery up to 24 volt easily. And this is the on off switch, and this is the sensor pins. So like when your signal is in the between, like for that we had created another set of pins. And on this initial 3 pins, like there is a register also, so you can use this with LEDs like without any issues. LED modules and all those which has like very low register, you can use it because like there is a additional register on this pins, 3 pins. Similarly, like these are the analog input pins, and this is the jumper for like selecting the VCC from 3.3 volt or like 5 volt, and this is the jumper for motor power supply. So you can select like 5 volt or the battery voltage. So by default, like I've selected 5 volt and for motor power, and like 3.3 volt as VCC. And this like you can connect the ESP32 camera directly using this pin. So like you can even remove this and connect ESP32 camera directly. And these pins are like for serial and I2C. So like this is the low one, 3.31, and this is the center one is the VCC, so it can be 3.3 or 5 volt, and this is the high one, 5 volt. So like if you want a sensor like accelerometer or something which require 3.3, so you can connect to this first row, or your VCC is 3.3, so you can connect in the second row. And this is the high one. So like if you have a 5 volt I2C LCD, or like you want to connect the 5 volt ultrasonic, so you can connect on this top rows. So like in case of robot, like you have this 5 volt sensor, so you can simply connect on this top row. But if you have some accelerometer or something which requires 3.3 volt, so you can connect on the last row. So I hope you like this video. Please do share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.